Indian insurance market plays a vital role in Indian economy as it occupies a market size of 28,000 crore. Thus, it is extremely important for us to be updated with the current market scenario. The concept of insurance dates back 4,000 years ago. The first insurance company to come to India was Oriental Life Insurance. Ever since, there has been an increase in the number of risk assurers in our country. At present, there are 57 insurance companies in India, out of which 24 are in life and 33 are in non-life or general insurance. One must know the names of all the 57 companies in order to survive in the market. IRDAI is the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, which is set up under IRDAI Act 1999. It is the topmost regulatory body overseeing the insurance business in India. Let us now understand insurance intermediaries. An intermediary is a person or an agency who acts as a link between the insurance company and the policyholder. In the Indian insurance market, there are many such intermediary bodies. Some of them are individual agents. An agent is a person licensed by IRDAI and generally employed by an insurance company to sell insurance policies on behalf of the company. Corporate agents. Corporate entities represent an insurance company and sell its policies. Usually, they are engaged in a particular business and sell insurance policies to their existing customers. Bank assurance. It is the partnership between the bank and the insurance company whereby the insurance company uses the bank sales channel to sell the insurance products. Insurance brokers. Insurance brokers act on behalf of the policy buyer. They help in finding the policy specific to the buyer's need. This was about insurance intermediaries. A lot of times people are confused about the basic difference between an insurance agent and a broker. Let us understand the key differences here. Insurance broker. Agents. An insurance broker represents his client, whereas an agent represents his insurance company. A broker is a corporate structure who is licensed under strict guidelines from IRDA, whereas an agent operates individually. The minimum capital requirement for a direct broker is Rs 50 lakh, whereas an agent does not have any such requirement. Brokers are required by IRDA to have adequate infrastructure and trained manpower. Anyone with an academic qualification of 10+2 can become an agent. Strict monitoring by IRDA on a regular basis to ensure best and ethical practices. There is no such monitoring for agents. Can place business with any of the life and non-life insurance companies. Can represent only one life and one non-life insurance company. Offers professional services like risk management, developing appropriate insurance coverage at correct premium rates. Offers product-driven marketing. Above all, assist clients actively at the time of claims. No such assistance is guaranteed. A broker is like an insurance company. Globally, many brokerage houses are bigger than insurance companies, whereas agents are a part of marketing team of an insurance company. Insurance industry is one of the most thriving industries right now. They have multiple advantages in India. Robust demand. Growing interest in insurance among people, innovative products and distribution channels are aiding growth. High penetration rate for digital platform with an average of 90% people using digital platforms at least once a week. Attractive opportunities. Insurance reach is still low in India. Overall, insurance penetration in India was 3.71% in the year 2019, providing a huge underserved market. Strong growth potential for micro-insurance, especially from rural areas. Policy support. COVID-19 insurance policy to attract foreign tourists. Insurance bill gives IRDAI full flexibility to frame regulations for the sector. Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana Sehat scheme provides extended coverage to all residents of Jammu and Kashmir. Increasing investments. Reduction in net own fund requirement from Rs 5,000 crore to Rs 1,000 crore proposed to facilitate onshoring of international transactions. Insurance industry in India is sure to grow. Are you ready to grow along?